The retail packaged food market actually benefited from recession in the sense that consumers were cooking more at home, we're eating more at home, we're dining less away from home. And as a result, we actually had seen sales of the retail packaged food grow in both 2008 and 2009 despite the recession. And of course, if we look also at the emerging markets, the strong demographic trends, such as strong population growth in those emerging markets, helped also to drive sales globally. One of the key trends that we had seen during the economic recession was the increase in sales of private label. And we had seen especially sales of economy segment of private label move forward as many consumers were looking for cheaper products and were looking to cut spending on their grocery bills. However, moving forward, a lot of retailers, a lot of manufacturers of private label products were actually looking into the possibility to maintain this momentum and to grow sales forward. And recession or not, there's a lot of product development going on, and there's actually more development going on in the premium segment of private label to continue to drive sales further, even past the recessionary years. I think the major forces we have to look at are functional foods and beverages, contrasting directly with vitamins and supplements as they compete for the similar consumer base. And then, of course, the two of them compete against products that are positioned as naturally healthy. And many consumers are still wondering whether it is more beneficial for them to eat products that are naturally rich in desirable nutrients, or whether they should be looking for enhanced nutrition such as functional foods or vitamins and supplements. To better understand the impact of regulatory changes, especially in those markets where such changes are currently taking place, such as the European Union, we can look at those markets where the restrictive regulations are already in place, such as, for instance, Canada with regards to health claims on functional foods and beverages, and with regards to vitamins and supplements. If we look at functional foods and beverages, Canadian market is very limited when it comes to product availability, product marketing, advertising, as well as health claims allowed by the regulatory authorities. The European Union is largely moving in the same direction as we see it now, and we are already seeing some of the products changing their labels because the health claims have not been approved by the European Food Safety Agency. We are likely to see, moving forward, fewer products available on the market. We're likely to see more restrictive environment when it comes to marketing and advertising, and we're likely to see product development perhaps taking shape of Me Too products. Once the health claims have been approved, it would be easier to put a product with similar claims and similar ingredients on the market rather than invest in something that's drastically different and will take time and resources to get an approval for. Moving forward, what the industry participants have to keep in mind is that the challenges that are coming from the changing regulatory environment are not going to go away, and especially for functional foods and beverages manufacturers, they'll have to deal with such unique challenges as the capacity and ability to conduct clinical trials, which would be essential for product approval and the approval of health claims. They also will have to deal with the increasingly skeptical consumer, the consumer who are trying to understand the science behind those products, looking for more information. And as more information is available, as more debates are going on with regards to benefits of such products, then consumers are not going to be just simply willingly open their wallets for such products. They will require more information, they will require more proof that these products indeed are efficient and safe to consume. And of course, looking at the messages to consumers, it is really going to be essential for the manufacturers to communicate better those claims, to communicate better the benefits of their products for consumers to understand what it is that they're buying and how they can use it and how that's going to be beneficial to their health.